Okay, I just changed the caster camber bolts. There's 2 bolts right there. Non-adjustable. I bought this kit right here, and they're adjustable. It makes the upper control arm adjustable. My tire was leaning in, and I changed the upper control arm, lower control arm, ball joints, everything. Took it to Goodyear. They kept telling me my tire was bad. Rotated all the tires. These tires are brand new. Rotated all the tires. They did. Every time they put a tire on this right front wheel, it will lean in. Common sense would tell you that off-hard tire is not bad because it's leaning in. They kept telling me it was a tire pull, whatever that meant. I don't know. So I did research, and as I did research, I found out that my cam bolts original from the factory are non-adjustable. So I bought the adjustable ones, and I'm going to show you with this level. My tire was leaning out so bad that it was like that. You can see the level ball where it's at. And now that I put the adjustable ones and adjusted it, here it is now. And you can clearly see it's level. I'm going to go to the other side of the car. I'm going to show you this wheel with this. Kick it in, and again you can see it's level, pretty much so. Now if you look at the tire, nice and straight. Look at the tire I put the adjustable camber set on, nice and straight. So now I got to go back to Goodyear and get my $90 back because they didn't do anything. So if you got a Ford Sport Track or Explorer 2001 to 2006, I believe, the upper cam bolts are not adjustable. You got to replace them. The bolts were $17 and some change through Amazon, and it worked out really well. Lesson learned. Thank you.